Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have a nested list here, and here we are creating a copy of this list, and then we are changing b zeroth of first element 200, and then we are printing a. So the correct output of this code is 100, 3 and 4. Even though we have created a shallow copy here, the changes are still reflected back. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here we have this nested list here, and here in the second list B, we created a shallow copy. That means it becomes like this. And here when we change this zeroth of first element, that means instead of 2 here, there will be 100. But when we printed A, we also got the same output. And the reason why this happened is because when you created a copy of this list, only the outer list is copied. That means this and this list are referencing to the same list. That means when we change this, that is 1 comma 100, this also becomes 1 comma 100. That's why when we printed A, we called 100, 3 and 4.